Hey guys! Obviously, it's me, Britt. And if you didn't see it already, I got braces.
Woohoo.
So that's just one new thing. Sadly, something happened to my brother Max. So he was playing soccer, which is actually kind of a dangerous sport if you think of it. And some kid, he's not so sure which one because they were twins, one of them took the soccer ball like really hard and it hit him right here. So it was like this. Boom! And he broke his arm. So he's a cast. This is a picture of the day when it all happened. So yeah, we've got an achy breaky arm and some braces. But I felt like I was going to show you some awesome things that I got in my braces kit. So, just move it aside. Got a little pile of stuff. Alright, so, yes, this is the first thing I got. So it's like this little toothbrush thingamabob that you use to. This is actually the same thing as I showed you earlier. It's just the classic version. This is also the same thing. So actually like the same little type of toothbrush, except it's a little bit smaller and it comes with this gum. Since I'm basically a big time traveler, my mom got me this set that's got a traveler sized toothbrush that you can use. So yeah, as I showed you earlier, you could use this, but look how small it is. You just need a little case. You could fit those in, and it's got one brush. Just in case I run out, I do have some extra, the little fuzzy thingamabobs for the end of the toothbrush. This also comes with the little fuzzy thingamabobs, but it does come at the end that you can use to put on the toothbrush. Lastly, well, almost lastly, I have wax. It's like my lifesaver, basically. So this is like my second pack. I got another one in my backpack. Yeah, so you can just roll it up into a little ball and then stick it where it's hurting. This is the final, lastly, I have in this video. I have birthday cake ice cream from Bluebell. I mean, who could live without Bluebell ice cream? Especially when you just get braces. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Keep your heads up because I will be posting a guide to braces video. So yeah, come in handy. And you can check my Brittany Evans channel. I will have a Christian album, not album, but playlist. So I'd recommend that you check that out. Remember to leave a like down below if you love Bluebell ice cream. Most importantly, birthday cake ice cream. It's my life, I have to say. And don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you might be a special winner and receive a special prize. Bye! Thanks, Mama.
Wait, you were.